S220 27.5 Step through Sizzlebk Installation Tutorial. Toolbox. Manual. Pedals. Front quick release skewer. Parking bracket. Tower adapter. Toolkit. Unscrew the screws on the front fork cover. Remove O-rings. Put the front fork on the bike frame. Put the ring back on the fork in order of the video. The last 5 metal rings can be ordered in a random order. Install handlebars. Lock the front fork top cover screw. Install the parking frame. First remove the parking frame screws, then place the parking frame in the corresponding position and lock it. Remove the front fork protector bar with a 17 mm open-end wrench. Remove the brake protector. Remove the nut on one end of the quick-release lever. Pass it through the front wheel hub. On the other side, place the conical spring and safety hook. Tighten the nut. Lift the front fork. Place the front wheel. Ensure the disc rotor is positioned between the disc brake pads. Hook the safety hook onto the front fork. Tighten the lever on the handle. Remove the mudguard screws with a 4 mm hex wrench. Insert the fender and tighten the screws. Install the front light. Tighten the screws. Install the seat, open the seat clamp, and place the saddle. Adjust the vertical angle of the handlebar. Diagonal lock handlebar screws. Adjust the horizontal angle of the handlebar. Locking screws. Remove the rear fender screws and note at the screws below. Lock the fender bracket. Screws above the fender. Remove the first screws on the rear shelf in turn. Adjust the rear shelf telescopic rod and place it in the frame. Locking screws. Adjust the shelf angle and lock the screws. The pedal marked with the letter L is for the left side. Screw it in counterclockwise. Use a 15 mm open-end wrench. The pedal marked with the letter R is for the right side. Screw it in clockwise. Transmission system, speed change system, brake demonstration, motor drive demonstration. Check the headlights. Check the battery. Use the key to open the battery compartment, turn the battery lock, and remove the battery.